Are you looking for the best laminate floor cleaners in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best laminate floor cleaners that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Sheiner's Stone and Tile Floor Cleaner. Sheiner's Stone and Tile Cleaner boasts a multi-surface construction that makes it ideal for cleaning different surfaces, including marble, vinyl, stone, laminate, and granite. It allows you to easily remove dirt, dust, and grime. This floor cleaner features a light, refreshing scent that leaves your house smelling amazing and doesn't contain harmful elements like non-neutral chemicals, bleach, and ammonia. With its neutral pH, this is a safe formula that ensures you get the best cleaning results and won't damage any floor surfaces. This is an entirely non-toxic and safe formula that is safe for you and the environment. At number 4, Fluoride Plus Multi-Surface Floor Cleaner. The Fluoride Plus Laminate Cleaner leaves surfaces and floors looking clean and smelling fresh. The multi-surface formula works on hardwood, laminate, ceramic, vinyl and tiles. It is designed to remove stains, dirt, grease, and oil. The product is even safe for use on natural stones. Its non-abrasive composition leaves the surface clean and free of streaks and residues. This Fluoride Plus non-toxic floor cleaner doesn't discolor surfaces. It is perfect for use on bathroom tiles, pool tiles, and kitchen tiles. In short, this is an ideal addition to your indoor and outdoor cleaning. This is a safe product that won't harm your kids or pets. The non-toxic, eco-friendly, and safe ingredients make it a safe cleaning solution. At number 3, ProCare Citrus Cleaner Concentrate. ProCare is another perfect laminate floor cleaner. It boasts a multi-surface formulation that makes it ideal for different surfaces. Additionally, the cleaner offers streak and residue-free surfaces. It doesn't stain the floor or cause any damage. Furthermore, its non-toxic and eco-friendly ingredients make it safe for your family and pets. It won't pose a risk to anyone in your home. The ProCare floor cleaner also has natural scents that leave your floor smell fresh citrus scent. Therefore, it is perfect for eliminating the bad odor. Additionally, this is a biodegradable product that won't pose a risk to the environment. At number 2, Armstrong Hardwood and Laminate Floor Cleaner. The Armstrong is a cost-effective and economical laminate floor cleaner. It works on many different surfaces. Basically, the formula boasts safe, non-toxic, and eco-friendly ingredients. It also keeps all non-wax surfaces clean and bright. Its ingredients work perfectly on urethane hardwood surfaces too. The Armstrong floor cleaner's formula doesn't require diluting also. The floor cleaner is a scented formula that leaves a citrus fusion on the floor for freshness. Using the cleaner is a breeze too. You simply spray and mop your laminate floor. It doesn't leave residue or streaks on the surface. At number 1, Bona Stone Tile and Laminate Floor Cleaner. Bona is a multi-surface floor cleaner. It works on stone, laminate, and tile floors. This floor cleaner boasts a sizable 160 ounces capacity that makes it perfect for several uses. The product works easily on sealed hard surfaces. In fact, it is perfect for all non-wax surfaces. You can even use on sealed non-porous marble. If you don't fancy those laminate floor cleaners that leave stains and streaks on the surface, consider choosing this product. This floor cleaner also features safe and non-toxic ingredients that make it safe for all floors. The formula is safe for your kids too. Its eco-friendly composition and packaging make it safe for use. It is scented to leave a fresh smell and eliminate odor. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.